Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix TikTok Shop age. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that's perfectly explained everything about how to change your age on TikTok if it was entered incorrectly. To change your age on TikTok, you must contact the customer support team within the app or by email. It is not possible to manually change your age in TikTok app. TikTok aims to prevent underage users from looking at explicit content or engaging with adult users. The social networking and video sharing platform TikTok curates videos for its users based on a number of factors, including users' ages. Many of the platform's hundreds of million active users are under the age of 18, though which has raised privacy concerns for minors. Though the app targets its full TikTok experience for users 13 and up according to its safety center. Here's what you need to know about age restrictions on TikTok and whether you can change your age if you've entered it incorrectly. How to change your age on TikTok. If your age was entered incorrectly in the TikTok app and you wish to correct it without making a new account, you can email TikTok at infocontact@tiktok.com to request change or contact the platform's customer support team through the app's support section, as detailed below. Open TikTok app for iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right of the home screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, as you can see, guys, here. And then this will take you to the settings and privacy page. Scroll down until you see the support section, and under that, tap Report a problem, as you can see, guys, right here in the picture. Select Account and Profile. Tap Edit in Profile. Select Other, and then click on Need More Help. This will bring you to a feedback form where you can enter a text request to change an inaccurate date of birth on your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.